In this now moment, with my free will and pure intent, I fulfill my soul's objective to heal and awaken the inner child. I awaken the inner child, and I use this important part of who I am to absorb and amplify the joy, love, and appreciation that's being shared on the planet. With pure intent, I hold space for the children of this planet to release all pain, anger, resentment, or anything that would attempt to diminish the joy that's being produced at this time. My inner child is safe, protected, and loved unconditionally, and I encourage myself with kindness and support as I journey through this healing process. So be it, and so it is.